This question was asked in GATE 2021 EE paper for 1 mark. Let fx be a real valued function such that f dash x naught is 0 for some x naught in 0 and 1 and f double dash x is greater than 0 for all x in 0 and 1. Then fx has, for this question, 4 options have been given, out of which one of them is correct. The NPTEL video reference for this question is Lecture 10 Basic Calculus 1 and 2 by Professor Parasar Mohanty, Department of Mathematics, IIT Kanpur. So what we are asked in this question is to determine the number of local minimas of this function fx in the interval 0 to 1. Some useful information in order to solve this question. Second derivative test holds when the function fx has a stationary point at x is equals to x naught and the function is twice differentiable at the stationary point. By stationary point we mean a point, let's say x naught, at which the first derivative of the function, which is f dash x naught, evaluates to 0. So if the function obeys these conditions, which is having a stationary point and is twice differentiable at the stationary point, then if the second derivative of the function at x naught is positive, then fx has local minimum at x is equals to x naught. If the second derivative of the function evaluated at x naught is negative, then fx has local maxima at x is equals to x naught. If the second derivative of the function at x naught is 0, then fx may or may not have an extremum value at x is equals to x naught. By extremum value we mean a point of maxima or minima. It is given in the question that f dash x naught is equals to 0 for some x naught in 0 and 1, which means that there exists only one x naught for which the first derivative of the function evaluated at that point is 0. Also it is given that the second derivative of the function is positive for all x in 0 and 1. Since x naught belongs to this interval, we can write the second derivative of the function at the point x naught is also positive. So the given function looks something like this, such that it has a zero slope at the point x naught. So by these two conditions we can apply second derivative test to the function fx at x is equals to x naught, and since only one such x naught exists between 0 and 1, so we have exactly one local minima in 0 and 1. So the correct answer to this question is option C, that is exactly one local minimum exists for this function in 0 and 1.